It's a baby bear. We don't want to get you.
Could it be up in the tree?
Could be.
Did we just walk?
Right under it?
I'm not going to get too much further. What the hell is that?
Probably two men rubbing against each other.
I don't want to get any closer because I don't know what that is.
Look in your binoculars.
Where do you think it is?
I don't know, but look. See if you see anything. I don't think it's up in the tree. I think it's on the hillside back there.
I don't want to get any closer, don't you think?
Yeah. Blue's not concerned.
I mean,
Here.
I don't know where to look, you know what I'm saying?
Hmm? Are you looking up in the tree? almost sounds like it could be at the base of that big tree, but then I think it's further away.
I'm hoping that one of those cameras picking up the audio enough that we can post it someplace.
Mm-hmm.
I really want to go look, but like if it is a baby bear,
Yeah,
I really don't want to be that close to the mama bear.
exactly. I think it's a baby bear. I really do.
Or baby raccoon, maybe?
Blue's not concerned.
Who's never concerned? As much as I would love to go,
Doesn't it sound like it's right over there?
it definitely does. It could just be like on the backside of that tree.
Mm-hmm. What's Blue doing?
Alright, do you think that... What do you say? Do we go back across and try to... You know? Okay. Alright, let's leave it alone. Hopefully we got... I like how you're like, no, and then you keep moving.
Go over here with the binoculars and see. I think you should give me Blue, though.
Think Blue's gonna protect you?
No, I just don't.
Here's Blue.
Stay. Come here. Good girl. It's, huh?
It moved.
Come here. I say it's definitely right there.
But it doesn't like me being over here now.
I say we go on.
Yeah.